Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Thanks for joining me on this video. Today we are going to clean out the fireplace. So we haven't used it yet this fall season. Last year's ashes or last season's ashes are still in here. So let's clean this all out and get it ready for the upcoming season. I have a brown paper bag, which these things are becoming obsolete at times because everything is plastic. So I took the handle off the shovel and now I have to clean out the fireplace. All right, I got my homemade brush. Got this steel brush. Put an old jack handle on it. I don't have the jack anymore. And now I can get in here and clean any creosote or anything that's on here. And it really isn't all that bad. So like a hardened powder, and then I'll open up the flue. Well, we got a bug in there. Got a snake bug right there. Gotta have a fire so I can burn this stuff out of here. Going up the chimney. Not a lot of creosote. When you burn a lot of hardwood, you don't get all that buildup. One time we had a bee's nest up there, and we had the guy come in and do the chimney sweep, and yeah, we had a big old wasp nest in there. Free of any creosote. Don't want to have a chimney fire. My parents had a chimney fire. My dad, he would burn green wood. He just burned anything, pallet wood that was green. He would just burn it. It would smolder and smolder. So one evening, my mom called and said, we have a chimney fire. And they were out of the house, but the fire was contained in the chimney. And my mom said that there was just stuff falling. Flames were just falling. So the fire department came, and they didn't really have to extinguish anything because the fire was already kind of put out. But they took a thermal imaging of the chimney, and that thing was this glowing red. So thankfully, you know, nobody got hurt, but scared the crap out of my parents. You know, when you're in your late 70s, late 60s, early 70s, it scares the crap out of you. So, lesson learned, don't burn any green wood. Make sure it's nice and dry and ready to go. Green wood is for campfires outside. Oh yes, the first fire of the season. Just starting out small, and as we go on, they'll get a little bit bigger and bigger, but just wanted to test it out after cleaning. So yeah, looks like a good deal there. Can't wait. It's getting colder out. Want to have some fires, roast some marshmallows. Sounds good. And where I get all these branches from is when during the summertime we have some windy, severe weather, thunderstorms. We got a couple trees in our yard, and it sheds these branches. So then what I do is I break them up, let them dry out, put them in our little holder here. And that's the other thing too, when we order Amazon, this brown paper, it's good for igniting fires. So yeah, I got this nice little inlet here. That's where I keep the branches and all my wood. And then yes, nice heat. So all right, that should do it for this video. I want to thank the people that have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I want to keep growing the channel and adding new content to this channel. So yeah, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already, or if you're considering subscribing, now's a good time. Appreciate it. Have a good day, and I'll have some more videos coming up real soon. Take care.